Kristen from Premier Fitness. Today we've got a back workout planned. If you watched my last few back videos, this one's going to be a little bit different. It's a timed workout, so you don't have to worry about counting reps or anything like that. You're going to need a little bit of equipment, so just enough wall space for you to lean up against the wall. We're going to be doing some slides and some rows. And you're going to need a towel. We're going to be doing towel pull downs with this. And preferably a water. Alright, so let's get into the stretches and then we'll start up our workout. So wide arm rotations. If you can't do wide arm rotations, just do whatever you can. You can start backwards or forwards, doesn't matter. And if you find it easier, you get a better stretch, you could do one arm at a time. Alright, now whatever direction you were doing, switch to the opposite one. So I'm going to do forward now. And you can do a mix if you'd like I'm doing. Do both arms, and then do each arm individually. Alright, next we're going to do an arms behind the back stretch. So clasp your hands together like this or like this, doesn't matter. And bring your arms up, however high you can. If you can't get them up this high, just do whatever you can, as long as you can feel that stretch. And keep moving. You don't want to hold it in place for too long. We don't want static stretches at the start of our workout. So keep it nice and dynamic. Try to relax your neck as well. Alright, looks like we lost connection for a second. Not sure where we lost it. So we were doing behind the back stretch. Bring your arms up however high you can. And just nice and dynamic. Keep stretching. If you can't go up that high, that's fine. Just make sure you're not holding it up there for too long. Keep it dynamic and try to keep your neck relaxed. Then we've got one more warm-up stretch and we'll get straight into our workout. Alright, so this last stretch, sit on the floor on your heels if you can. If not, just sit down on your feet. Sit however you can, it's comfortable. So we're going to start with stretching our right hand side. So you're going to extend your left arm out. Put your right hand on the back of your head without putting pressure on it. Just rest it there. You're going to bring your right elbow under your left arm and then come back up with your right arm. Feel the stretch in your back. And we'll do that 5 times on each side and repeat and do it 5 more times again. So I'll face this way and show you. Alright, and left side, extend the right arm, bring the left under and up. Alright, and repeat that again. Right hand side. And left side, 5 times. Alright, take a short rest. Catch your breath if you need to, drink some water. Now we're going to get into the back workout. It's going to be timed, so I'll be starting my phone with a timer on it. We're going to be doing scapular push-ups. Don't worry if you can't do push-ups. It's not like a regular one. It's just like that. You can rest on your knees if you need to, so you feel it less in your core and get to focus more on the back. Towel pull downs and wall rows. And then we'll get into some wall slides at the end. Alright, so we're going to do those first 3 workouts 6 times. There'll be a rest in between. So let's get started. And if you hear beeping, That's just the time we're going. It beeps 3 times for the last 3 seconds. So when you hear those beeps, that's when you know the exercise is coming to an end. And let's get started. All right. So we're gonna start with the push-ups. All right. So rest on your knees if you need to. I find that you can feel it better in your back. You're just kind of gonna drop down with your upper back. Bring those shoulder blades together and then push back up. Don't strain your neck during this. Just relax your neck. Bring those shoulder blades together. Push back up. Shoulder blades together, go down, push back up. And we're going to repeat this for the 40 seconds. All right. Now grab your towel. We're going to be doing towel pull downs. Pull the towel nice and tight. Over your head, hold that tension. Bring it down to your chest. Push it back up. And you see how my arms are right at the sides. We're not swinging back too far or forward too much. Try to keep your neck relaxed. You don't want to be straining your neck. You're going to have your head back a little bit to bring the towel down. So you're not hitting your face, but don't be straining it back too much. Keep going. 10 more seconds of this exercise. All right. Now we've got the wall rows. So you're going to lean up against the wall, back of your upper arm resting on the wall, and you're going to keep your body straight like a plank almost, and push off the wall, pivoting off of your elbows. Try not to let your elbows bounce off the wall. Keep contact with your elbows on the wall all times. Feel it in your upper back right here when you push off the wall. And try to keep your body still. All right, 35-second rest. It went by fast. Take a drink of your water if you need to. All right, about 20 more seconds of this rest. Repeat that again 5 more times. And then we'll finish up with the wall slides. And I'll keep giving details on the movements as we're going through them. 10 more seconds. Get ready to start those push-ups. All right. Now if you'd like to, you can be in a regular push-up stance. Drop down, push back up. I find that this way, you do feel it a little more in your core, in your abs. So if that is what you'd like, you can do them this way. But if you'd like to focus a little more on your back, I find that you feel it in your back more when you're resting on your knees instead. Now your hands, just normal placement.